Hi, everybody. It's Stacey Soble with Salon Today Conversations, and I'm with Chad Taylor from Moods Hair Salon in Vancouver, British Columbia. Hi, Chad.
Hello, how are you?
Good. We're going to talk a little bit about software today and how it's helping you both run your business, but also recover from COVID and the shutdowns. So you all use Fresha, and you've been with it for 2 years. Is that right?
About 2 years. Yeah, we brought it in about 2 years ago. So it's always a big undertaking bringing new software into a salon. We had our previous software for about 15 years. So yeah, it was like, yeah, we've had a really great experience bringing Fresha into the system.
Yeah, we actually once did a would you rather question just for fun and asked people if they would rather switch software systems or bring in a new hair color line. And it was about 50-50. That pain point's pretty strong both ways. So.
Yeah, I have to say we had an amazing experience with the Fresha team and just their bringing in the terminal and just helping us along the way with any questions to customize it to our team.
When it goes easy, that makes a huge difference.
Exactly, yeah.
So you are also using their online booking. And how long have you been doing that?
We've been doing the online booking for about a year. So yeah, we sort of eased into the system, and then we've integrated into our system with haircuts only at this point and blow dries. And then we're looking at the future adding in color services as well. So we're currently at about 25% of our bookings are done.
Oh, 25%, that's pretty good. Yeah. So did you start with haircuts because it's a little easier for non-professionals to book the time?
Exactly. It's a little bit more predictable in terms of the timing. And so, yeah, we still have our phone systems and our chat system, but this has been amazing for client experience to be able to book their own appointments in.
So when you opened that up, what did you see with clients booking patterns? Do you see what times of day they book, and was that interesting?
Definitely all hours of the day, and I think that's all part of it. It's just having that option to book at their convenience, which is amazing for now.
Yeah. It's definitely something today's consumers are demanding, is that convenience factor, and when it's right for them. How did it impact your front desk team having the phone ringing a little 25% less, at least with your color clients?
It definitely eased a lot of that timing, and it's brought in new clients that way. We've been able to kind of have clients be able to find us through our website and then book their own appointments in that way. So we have a lot of our regular clients that will book through the online system, but we've also been able to find new clients that way.
So the online feature is integrated into your website.
That's right, yeah.
So do you think that new clients choose your salon over others when they're searching because they do have the convenience of booking online?
I think it's a definite added feature for sure.
Yeah, that's great. So what have your clients said about it once you started it?
Again, we just sort of eased into it and we weren't sure how it was going to go at the beginning, but it's been a great success, and clients really love to be able to find their own times and look at their schedules at home. So just at their convenience. So it's been amazing.
Now, you all, like others, were closed for a few months after the COVID outbreak last year. So what was your strategy for getting people rebooked? And did you use online booking at that time?
We did, yeah. So we were only closed for the initial 2 months. And so getting back, we had a combination of calling and the online booking. So we did open it up to our clients that were previously booked during the times that we were closed, and then gradually introduce it to our guests that hadn't been booked in.
Right.
Go
ahead.
That's great.
So you also use Fresha's built-in payment processing system, which is, I guess it uses a third party to store the credit card numbers, which it makes it safer as well. And how do you use that in the salon? How does that help you?
So in terms of the payment, our clients are able to come to the front, and it's a very quick transaction with our front desk team. And so they book their appointment in, the appointment's confirmed with the card. The transaction is very easy for them, and it really helped us during the COVID times because it was a single point of contact with their stylist. So the stylist was able to take their bills, and then as soon as the appointment was done, they could exit the salon. Yeah.
So you could implement a touchless payment.
That's right. Yeah.
Right. Now, do you also use them to charge a fee if people are no-show?
We've just started that into the system with Fresha. Again, there's so many things that we can integrate into our program at the salon, but the no-show policy is one that it definitely does help. Even all the confirmation emails and texts that our guests are receiving, we're definitely seeing a lot less no-shows than we did previously, but we do have that option of a no-show fee for persistent no-showers or people that are
Naughty clients.
Exactly. So it is that option that we can put in there.
Now, just overall, we talked a little bit about bringing in a new software and how that can be challenging, but what is the overall user experience with Fresha have you found since you're on it?
I think right from the beginning, because it is a cloud system, we were able to bring it in. The experience at the front desk was great. And then our stylists all have it on their phones, so they're able to book their own clients in that way. If somebody does contact them, we can put them in, and then wherever we are, we can adjust their appointments as needed.
Check schedules.
Exactly.
Yeah. Great. Well, that's wonderful.
Yeah, and the team's been amazing with support and being able to help us customize that.
That's great. That's great. Well, thank you so much. And thanks for sharing your experience with Fresha, and also, best of luck to you in your recovery from COVID and regrowing your business.
And thanks so much, Stacey.
Take care, Chad. Thank you.
Bye-bye.